Today I'm upgrading my workshop with some brand new tools, electronic components and microcontrollers. So let's go! So this is my workshop before, guys. So we have two 3D printers here. Some new tools here that I bought this weekend. This place is much complicated. Some new components. Here is my setup, and this place is where I make my videos about Arduino tutorials and other electronic tutorials. And there's also a whiteboard. It's because I teach youngs robotics. So I have 15 students right now, and we're learning about Arduino and components related to Arduino. So that's it. For my new workshop, I bought a cutting machine, Dremel 4250 it was, I guess. Let me check. Yeah, model 4250, this one. So it's a really powerful machine for cutting, drilling, sharpening, cleaning, polishing, carving, sanding, and so on. So here are the tools for cutting, sanding, polishing, drilling, and so on. So I bought a power supply for powering my components, electronic circuits. It can operate in voltage between 0 to 15 and between 0 to 2 amps. So I think that it's pretty much enough for small and compact circuits. So here is a soldering machine, an electronic microscope, which connects to the phone and can zoom up to 1000 times. And here is my setup. This is also a laptop that I bought 3 days ago. It's a Lenovo Lodge 15 APR, so it's a beginner level gaming laptop. Here we have some of the components, LCD displays, lights, breadboards, jumper cables, and what's this? A GPS module. I ordered this GPS module for my next video, which is about a GPS tracker for my electric moped. Here are the other electronic components. So here we have some motor drivers, some sensors, Arduinos, ESP cam module, some water pumps, batteries, DC motors, switch, potentiometers, and here we have also MOSFET modules. And that's it. So button kit, resistor kit, like this. Here are 1000 resistors of different ohm values. So I think it's pretty much enough. Yeah, here we have the other part. So here we have some Arduino Unos. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, Arduino Unos. Again, jumper cables. And what about here? Some voltage regulators, an LCD display, and nothing else. So first I have to clean up this place right here and line up all the tools here and here, and then place the electronic components to boxes like this. Yeah, here we have some transistors, and right here. So I'm thinking of building my computer setup here And this place for making Arduino tutorial videos. And this place gonna be all empty, so I can make my projects here. Here I'll place all the electronic components, some of the tools, adhesives, 3D filaments, and some of the tools I'll place here on the wall by placing this woods right here, and then the tools on it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I placed all the components to the boxes, so to the places. So here we have motor drivers, microcontrollers like ESP32, Arduino Nano, several batteries, 9 volts, LCD display, switch, motors, tons of potentiometers, a GPS module, breadboard, an infrared remote controller, LCD displays, here again lots of breadboards, LEDs, Bluetooth module, Wi-Fi module, relay modules, RFID, then voltage regulators, microbit, joysticks, stepper motor, and so on. So here we have a button kit, wires for the breadboard, resistor kit, and here we have some transistors, capacitors, magnetic relays, photoresistors, and here again transistors. Here we have some Arduinos, all packed, and jumper cables as well, right here. Servo motors, macarons, and here we have I don't know how they say in English, but in Albanian they say stega, boards for soldering of different dimensions. And so that's it about the components. I have other components as well, but these are the ones that I bought right now. So right now it's 9:30 p.m. and I'm driving home, so I'll continue the video the next day. Keep watching. Hello guys from the next day, and let's continue upgrading my workshop. I thought this place to leave for this soldering station and the power supply right here. So here I'll build my electronic circuits, and right now I'm installing a light system here, and I'll place my tools here as well. So I'll put some screws and then place the tools on there. So let's go. Wow, I think that's pretty good lighting. That will help me a lot. Now the lighting is done, and I think I can start to place the screws on the wood and then put the tools on them. Let's go. Yeah, so look at here, guys. Not professional, but it will make my work done. Let me just add some magnets as well. As you can see, I lined up all my tools here. And now I'll start setting up my soldering station here in this place. I bought a knife kit with, let me check how many, yeah, with 14 different types of blades in it for different usage. So let's unbox it. The brand is Proskit. Proskit is a well-known brand on the market. So how we place the blades on this. So let's say I want to use this. Like this, yeah. It's a perfect tool and I recommend to all of you guys, since you can change the blade depending on your case. Now let's make the soldering setup. Bring the machine here. So I powered it on, guys, and this way I adjusted it to 250 Celsius. So just to heat this soldering head for the first time. Here we have the cleaner, the soldering wire. You know, I can actually place this wire right here, so I can take it easily while building different electronic circuits. So let's do it. So that's it. So the soldering station is done. There's just helping hands left, but I'll do it later. Now let's look at the power supply. So here we power, and yeah, it turned on. Yeah, it works properly. I'm just checking. Perfect, perfect. This is actually a really important tool, guys, if you're into robotics and electronics. I strongly suggest you to buy one of these. And also it's not too expensive. It's like, I bought this for 50 euros, something like that. So let's install this helping hand. Alright guys, so everything is done here. So we have the power supply, the drilling machine here, the tools here, the lighting system here, knife kit, digital microscope, which connects to the phone, the soldering machine, and the silicone heater. Here also I have the soldering hands. Here I place the board and build the circuit. I have also the German machine. Let's place it right here. And perfect. Not professional, but I'm satisfied with it, as I'm not gonna do heavy works here. This multimeter here. I think it's okay. And that's it for this video, guys. as you can see, this is the final look of my workshop. Oh, I forgot to tell about these two guys. I bought a digital thermometer, just in case if I need it, and a digital meter. So I hope you liked it and found it helpful. Actually, there's nothing here helpful. I just made this video for fun and to tell you the new upgrades on my workshop. And so if you liked it, you can put a like down there, and see you in the next one.